Hey guys, my name is Thana and welcome. Today we are talking property. I'm in my workshop here. It's dark and dirty. Um, but you know what? Not everybody is born with a silver spoon. Not anybody can rise up the corporate ladder. Not everyone have a chance at easy money, they say. But all of you have got a way to buy properties, and all of us do. But I'm saying, guys, don't buy properties if you're doing this. A lot of you out there will buy properties with a mindset that it's an investment, guys. Investment. Let's invest. Let's buy the best property ever. And you walk the property and say, this feels like home. And I say, don't buy the property that feels like home. Don't do that, because emotion is what a lot of property developers write on us. They write on us on emotions, on the how nice is the fill and finish in the showroom. They write on us on our emotion to the area. Don't do that, because a property, when it's investment, is just that, an investment. The biggest thing people have a problem with investing is to disassociate themselves with the property themselves, because they feel attached to it. They feel like, I can't sell the property. It's, you know what, I suffered so much to pay the deposit, and I spent time and energy looking for the property. Don't. A property, like a car, is a tool. You get in it, you ride it. It gave you a journey to where you want to be, and now that you're there, you got to let it go. But before you go there, emotions. So my top tip with property is that don't buy a property that makes you feel like you want to stay there. Buy a property where you have one, multiple exit strategy. Because think about this. To you, the property may be a place you stay, but a exit strategy means that for you is to stay. For someone else, they could buy it because it's a great investment. Someone else may say, look here, it's a great place to do Airbnb. Someone else might say, you know what, this is a great place to keep my mistress. Someone else might say, look here, great for colleges. Someone else might say, you know what, I'm from Penang and I want to stay in KL and work. Decent enough a place to rent and go to work. This has LRT. I want to stay there. So exit points is what you got to see. You got to see the demographic, because in the demographic you have 100 people. You got to get to a point that you can say, like, I can satisfy more than half of the demographic that might stay in this area. You got a winner there. So don't buy with heart, buy with facts, buy with exit points. Without an exit point, you are just financing the property for the developer, and you're not making a good decision. So don't buy property if you are buying with the emotion and heart. Cheers, and that's my tip for buying a property. Bye guys.